Hello everyone, welcome back. It's just delayed timing because of the Wi-Fi.
Your team is picking.
So we have the first match here between Guardians and BattleMongers. On the left side we have Guardian and on the right side we have BattleMongers. We have two heroes being banned from both the squads here. We have BrUT and Vale being banned from Guardian. And we have Phobos and Xbox, the two heroes being banned from BattleMongers. We have Paquito, Kagura,
your team is
Tiger,
banning.
the three picks from Guardian, and we have
your
Hylos,
team
Nana,
is banning.
and Sun, three picks coming in from BattleMongers. So now we are going to see the last ban coming in from both the squads here. First ban coming in from Guardian. So before we start with the stream, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you are supporting any squad, be it Guardian or be it BattleMongers, make sure to mention in the live chat, is it gonna be Guardian or BattleMongers? Hello.
Of light. Your team is picking.
So we have Sylvana, the fourth pick coming in from BattleMongers. Blue team here is going to be a Guardian, and the red team is going to be Battlemongers. No, next match will be Meghalaya Rise versus Super Noob. Next match at 10 p.m. Both the squads, they agreed to shift the timing to 10 p.m. because there's no match at 10 p.m. so they just want to fill up that spot. So we have Lancelot and Balmont, last two picks coming in from Guardian, and the last pick from BattleMongers is Aldous. So we have Lancelot as Hyper coming in from Guardian, and we have Hyper Aldous from BattleMongers. We have Roger and Yuzong, the last ban from both the squads here. So now the match is about to start, and let's take a look. Kano Bajil Akajong Super Noob at 10 p.m. bro, 10 p.m. Super Noob and Meghalaya Rise will be playing at 10 p.m. right after this match. So the match is starting. All the best to all the squads here. We have Guardian versus BattleMongers. So a warning is going to be it's going to be sent to BattleMongers for joining late. That's what we do. First of all, we will give a warning, and if they did it for the second time, then we will just maybe minus some of their points, or if they get if they get a protest from the opposite team, then it's going to be auto win. But right now it's not auto win for any squads. It's just a warning for BattleMongers for joining in late, because this is a paid tournament, so everyone have to be punctual with their own schedules. So we have in bottom lane, we have Paquito and Sun. Let's take a look. We have Hylos here trying to defend Hylos from taking that blue buff here. So let's take a look. We have Tigreal and Kagura from Guardian. Let's take a look at Lancelot, still busy taking those buff. We have a first blood in top lane. Roger has been taken, Balmont has been taken down by Sylvana. What an OP start from BattleMongers. That's a total of 1 kill already from BattleMongers. So now red team already on the lead regarding kills. Let's take a look. Is there going to be a fight in a mid lane? Only Hylos, the only hero from BattleMongers, trying to defend this mid lane. We are going to see a rotation or maybe a distraction from Tigreal against Aldous, but Aldous still managed to get those double buff from his own lane. So let's take a look at Sylvana. He's going to be in another fight against Balmon. And Balmon still facing so many threats from Sylvana, and he's very low in HP as well. So it seems like Tiger is gonna join in the fight with Balmon, and Balmon, he's being left out all alone, and no one is gonna come and help him in top lane. We still have Paquito and Sun in bottom lane. So we are going to see a push here. There's a gang coming in from Team Guardian and managed to take so much damage there, but Sun still managed to utilize his skill and managed to survive in the fight against a Guardian. A Guardian, no kills yet there, but BattleMongers already with that first kill. Let's take a look. Aldous here still trying to get some damage against that, but no one is defending that top lane. Sylvana, and there's a kill. Aldous has been taken down, and now it's equalizing regarding kills. We have 1 kill in total from both the squads here, but Sylvana is still trying to go for the push in top lane, and Paquito is already on his way to top lane. He's still trying to go in a fight against Sylvana, and Sylvana is losing some HP, but Paquito seems like he's in a very bad position now, losing so much HP. Only 1 bar HP still left, but that turtle has been taken down by Team Guardian. Team Guardian, what a waste of ultimate from Hylas. No, nothing is being taken using that ulti, because there's no team fight happening there. He just uses ulti for nothing. So we have a charge coming in from Aldous against from Sun against Balmon, but Balmon is still trying to take down those minions. We have Hylos still trying to teleport back to base, and he's gonna join in the fight in a moment. So we still have a fight happening in top lane between Sylvana and Paquito. Paquito still managed to take so much damage against Sylvana, and Sylvana gonna boost himself up and gonna still try to still try to not to go to base. So he's trying to defend herself. That's stun, and Sylvana, she's gonna die here. Sylvana has been taken down by Paquito, and Paquito as well is been taken down by Nana. Combination there with Nana and Hylos managed to take down that kill. We have a total of 2 kills for both the squads there. So Aldous there still trying to get some visual against all those enemies by using his ultimate, but he's not gonna go for a charge because he doesn't have enough stacks for now. He's gonna wait for enough stacks, and he's gonna join in the fight with his own team. So we have a fight coming in from Lancelot still trying to go for a charge against Sun, but Sun still managed to fall back to his own turret. So we have Hylos is being charged by Tiger. All the players are in this turtle in here, and Hylos still with a Sun still sticking together. We have Aldous still trying to go for those above, still trying to get his stack up and ready for the fight with his own team. So we have Paquito still trying to defend with all his might in top lane. He's the only one up, but his top lane is gonna go down, and those minions still manage to take down those turrets. Look at that stun coming in from Sylvana. Managed to take so much damage from Paquito, and Paquito is gonna go back to base, and look at that. He managed to take down that turtle for the 2nd time, and we have another kill going to happen right here, right now. Sun has been taken down by Kazura. It seems like another kill is gonna be taken here. Aldous is gonna die. Tiger managed to take down Aldous. Now the fight is happening here in top lane. Paquito still trying to go for the charges against Sylvana. 2 players from BattleMongers here still trying to fight against Paquito, and Paquito has been taken down by Nana. It's a total of 4 kills for Guardian and a total of 3 kills from BattleMongers. Look at that charge coming in from Tiger. Managed to take down some damage there, but Sylvana with that stun managed to take so much damage against Tiger, and Tiger is in a very bad position. Still managed to go for the stun, but Lancelot all the way coming in from mid lane managed to take down Sylvana. We have a total of 5 kills from Guardian and a total of 3 kills for BattleMongers. total of 16,000 from Guardian, 16,000 gold and 15,000 gold for BattleMongers. Let's take a look. The fight is happening here in bottom lane. No one managed to get a turret in bottom lane. So now Aldous, maybe we are going to see a charge coming in from Aldous or not. No, not yet. So we still have Nana still trying to stick with Hylos, trying to support each other here. So we have a good CC from both the squads here, still trying to, oh, why did he stun Tiger? He's using his second skill to slow down Tiger, and damage has been dealt against Tiger. Now they are going to go for the charge against Tiger, or maybe they are gonna fall back. Already used his ultimate Tiger, and Tiger very low in HP. Now we are going to see a kill on not there. It is Kagura is also joining in the fight. Paquito managed to take down Hylos, and Nana has been taken down by Kagura. So now Guardian is gonna go for that turtle for the third time. Balmon, where is Balmon? No, that bottom lane has been taken down. Balmon, he's out of reach from bottom lane turret, and that bottom lane turret has been taken down. That's another turtle for Guardian. Third time turtle for Guardian. We have on the lead 21,000 gold for Guardian and a total of 19,000 gold for BattleMongers. So we are going to see a fight here. Charge is gonna come in from Tiger against Sylvana. We have two heroes from Guardian. Looking at charge from Paquito, managed to take so much damage there, but Sylvana already with her stun, she's gonna go down easily there. Nana also joining in the fight, and there it is. A Lancelot has been taken down, and there it is, another kill. Kagura has been taken down by Aldous, and a charge is coming in from Aldous against Paquito. Paquito is gonna die as well. He's gonna get his kill. Sylvana managed to take down Paquito, the lone survivor. Here we have Balmon. He still managed to take down bottom lane turret. We have a total of 9 kills from Guardian and a total of 7 kills from BattleMongers. Blue team is Guardian and red team is BattleMongers. Top lane turret from BattleMongers is still standing. It seems like BattleMongers are gonna go and try to take down this mid lane turret here, and we have Sun still trying to wait for Balmon or maybe any other heroes to come in and push that bottom lane. So we have Tiger already activated his ulti, but Nana with her crowd control ultimate there managed to take half of damage against Tiger, and Tiger is in it. Oh, what a nice kill there from Tiger. Managed to take down Hylos, and Aldous managed to take down Tiger. There it is. Aldous is looking OP now, and we have Sylvana, or we have Lancelot.
Red team hero has been slain.
We have Lancelot managed to take down Aldous. Finally, a total of 11 kills for Guardian. Look at that. Oh, Sylvana managed to take down Paquito in that fight in top lane. We have another player has been taken down there from team BattleMongers. Nana has been taken down. So let's take a look. Is it going to be a push? Top lane turret, another turret has been taken down by BattleMongers. It seems like they are equalizing regarding gold. 28,000 for both the squads here. Who's gonna take that lot? Is it going to be Guardian or is it going to be BattleMongers? Who are you supporting? Is it blue team or red team? Blue team is Guardian and red team is BattleMongers. So there it is. So Bhai Saab, he spotted that player there, Hylos from Kagura, and Kagura is still trying to harass all these players from BattleMongers. So are we going to see a fight in bottom lane between Balmon and Sun? Sun is looking OP and still trying to go for the push, and we are going to see an assembled team here. Aldous, Hylos as well, and Sun. Now they are going to go for the charge. Balmon is gonna die here. 3 versus 1, and there it is. Aldous managed to take down Balmon. Now we are going to see another fight happening here. Tigreal and Nana, or Tigreal and Kagura still trying to defend that bottom lane. Now we're going to see Lord being initiated by BattleMongers. Will team Guardian here gonna try to steal that Lord. There it is. High Lord still trying to distract all those players from Guardian. Lord is getting low on HP, but a decision is gonna be made after a while. Who's gonna manage to take down this Lord here? We have so much fight happening here. Look at Tiger still trying to use all his skills, second skills, ultimate there, and Kagura also activating his ultimate there. Nana very low HP, still managed to survive in that fight. Paquito has been taken down by Aldos and Nana. Oh, by Sap, turret has been taken down. Nana has been taken down and Sun has been taken down as well by Lancelot. And there it is. Aldos still managed to survive. We are going to see Aldos gonna go for the charge's ultimate, and there it is. Sylvana has been taken down. Oh, Lancelot has been taken down by Aldos. Lancelot managed to take down a total of 2 kills there, but being shot down by Sylvana, or being shot down by Aldos, I mean. So let's take a look there. Hylos is trying to escape with his ultimate there. He still managed to escape with his ultimate. So we have Nana still coming in on her way to try to defend her own teammates there. But let's take a look. Sun is already Sun is trying to defend with all his might in mid lane. So we have Sylvana still trying to walk right in bottom lane, still trying to clear up that bottom lane. So many minions coming in from Guardian, but no problem for Sylvana. That's gonna be easy. So let's take a look at Hylos. Maybe he's gonna hide inside this bush and wait for all those players from Guardian. It seems like Kagura knows that Hylos is hiding inside that bush, and there it is. Hylos still trying to wait and camp inside all those bushes and wait for all those players. Look at that, a charge coming in from Paquito against Sun, and we have 2 players here from Guardian, and we have an assembled team here from Hylos and Sun. Let's take a look. Oh my god, Lancelot has been taken down, and we have a charge, and Balmon has been taken down by Aldos. Aldos is gonna be very hard to take down in late game. So many kills. Aldos, a total of 6 kills already. Let's take a look at all the builds here from both the squads. We have a total of 37,000 gold from both the squads. 16 kills on the lead from Guardian and 14 kills for BattleMongers. So we have a lot being charged by both the squads here. Tiger managed to use his second kill. Look at that. Tiger has been taken down. Aldos is looking OP in this fight. A total of 7 kills. Oh, Kagura has also been taken down, and Aldos managed to take down that Lord. Now we're going to see Lord coming in from top lane, and there it is. Lord is coming in on his way from top lane. Sun is already trying to clear up that top lane. We have Aldos in jungle. We have that bottom lane still in their own way. Minions, so many minions coming in from BattleMongers. It seems like Guardian is in a very bad position now. Another turret has been taken down now. The only 2 inhibitor turrets still left there from top lane and mid lane. So we have Lord coming in, and he's already on his way, and that inhibitor has been taken down. This top lane inhibitor all the way going down. Only 1 turret is still standing from Guardian. Now is it going to be a win for BattleMongers? Guardian still trying to defend with all their might here. Still 5 players remaining, and 5 players from both the squads. That's it. All the mega minions gonna come in from BattleMongers. It seems like BattleMongers are gonna go for the win here. Congratulations to BattleMongers in this first match. GG, well played to Guardian and BattleMongers, but a win goes to BattleMongers, and there it is. A total of 17 kills for Guardian, and a total of 16 kills. A total of 17 kills. It's a win for Guardian or BattleMongers. Okay, 17 kills in total for wait, let me take a look first. Wait, let me take a look. Oh, it's Guardian. Yes, it's Guardian who won the match. Right? It's Guardian. Congratulations to Guardian for winning that match with a total of 17 kills and BattleMongers with a total of 16 kills. So let's take a look at the second match. We have Meghalaya Rise with Super Noob second match. Okay, we will be right back and stay tuned. Only 4 players. MR squad with a warning. Bhai sahab. We have 2 squads with a warning.
Your team is banning.
MR squad with a warning, and BattleMongers also with a warning. Next time, if they did the same thing,
your team
if
is
they
banning.
came late again next match, then it's going
Your
to be
team is banning.
a point going to be deducted from their scoreboard. Okay, but luckily
Your team is picking.
the opponent didn't protest, so they are lucky.
Your team is picking.
They are late by 4 minutes. It's okay, by 4 minutes. They are late by 4 minutes. So Super Noob, they decided to wait. So but Meghalaya Rise, they play only 4 players. I don't know what happened to their players, but warning is being initiated for Meghalaya Rise.
Your team is picking.
So I don't know, bro. I don't know. They people share a group. Okay, we have Krango being banned from Meghalaya Rise, and Fervus and Aldos being banned from Super Noob. First pick here, we have BrUT.
My mission is to protect lives.
First pick from Super Noob. First and second pick from Super Noob is Balmon and Zong. We have High Level
Your
Kadita
team is picking.
from Meghalaya Rise. Only 4 players, bhai sahab. On the left side we have Meghalaya Rise, and on the right side we have Super Noob.
Your team is banning.
Okay, hero being banned now is coming in from Super Noob, the last ban. Which hero is gonna be? We have
Your team is picking.
Xbox being banned from team Super Noob.
Your team is picking.
I hope they're stronger than me.
Your team is picking.
We have Sun, the last pick. At the last, already locked from Super Noob, so which is going to be the last hero for Super Noob. We have Valir at the last. Wow.
It is in despair that
And
I
there
see
is
the
Nathan,
fondest hopes.
the last pick coming in from Super Noob, Nathan. So now the match is about to start. For those of you who are watching the stream, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And you can also share the stream. Okay. So we have blue team here, Meghalaya Rise, and the red team is Super Noob. So we have a Hyper BrUT from Meghalaya Rise. Okay. So we have Nathan Hyper from Super Noob. We have Valir in mid lane. We have BrUT and Kadita. have BrUT and Kadita in mid lane from Team Meghalaya Rise. We have Balmon and Hylos in bottom lane. We have Sun and Yuzong in top lane. Let's take a look. We have we have Valir, not Nathan. I already make a mistake. Valir and Nathan. So we have Nathan and Atlas trying to go for those buff there, and we have Valir still trying to hold his position in mid lane. So let's take a look. Maybe we are going to see a charge coming in from Hylos against Balmon. There's a stun coming in from Hylos. Managed to take some damage there against Balmon, and Balmon, he's gonna boost himself up back to full health again, and he is gonna spin and take some damage again against Hylos. Well, let's take a look. Sun is trying to go for the charge against Yuzong, and Yuzong managed to take half of his HP there against Sun. And we have 3 players there from Super Noob still dominating this mid lane here. And it's going to be a very bad challenge. It's going to be a very big challenge there for Meghalaya Rise. One player didn't join the match, so it's going to be a very big challenge in this match. It's going to be very hard for Meghalaya Rise to win in this fight. And look at that rotation coming in from Super Noob. They are trying to dominate this top lane, and Sun has been taken down by Yuzong. We have a total of 4 heroes in top lane. Valir also on his way to join in the fight as well. They are still trying to go for a bounty monster there, and there is bounty monster has been taken by Nathan. We have Hylos losing so much of his HP there in a fight with Valir. We have only Balmon in the bottom lane there from Super Noob. Still managed to take some damage there against that bottom lane turret. Let's take a look. Hylos already on his way trying to play out this bottom lane. We have Kadita, the only hero, and now we have BrUT also still trying to go for that buff. We have that turtle being charged by Super Noob. This is going to be the first turtle for Super Noob in this match. We are going to be on the lead, already on the lead with kill, and already on the lead with that turtle. The first turtle goes to Super Noob. 7,000 gold for Super Noob and 5,000 gold for Meghalaya Rise. Yuzong there in top lane trying to teleport back to base, and he's gonna go back to top lane trying to defend their own lane. So we still have Hylos and Balmon in bottom lane. They're still trying to take a fight with each other. Who's gonna go down in this fight? Will it be Balmon or will it be Hylos? Or maybe it's going to be a gang coming in from their own teammates. So we are going to see a gang coming in from Super Noob there against Sun, and Sun is going to be in a very bad challenge. Look at that. Luckily for Sun, BrUT is there to help him out. So we have a total of 4 heroes there from Super Noob and only 2 heroes from Meghalaya Rise. They are in a very bad position now with only 2 players. Now Kadita already on it. We are trying to move to top lane to go for help for their own teammates, and Yuzong still trying to go for the charge against Kadita, but Kadita still managed to escape with her first kill. So they are spreading out. We have BrUT here all alone. Look at all those players. 4 players in total from Team Super Noob, all together, assembled together in mid lane on BrUT and Kadita. Only 2 of them still trying to defend this mid lane here. Let's take a look at Hylos still trying to be in a fight with Balmon, and he managed to stun. So yeah. And look at Kadita still trying to go for the push against all those minions. But a charge coming in from Nathan and Valir. Perfect combination from 2 of these players. We have Atlas very low HP there, and a charge in top lane from Yuzong against Sun, and Sun is losing so much HP there, half HP again from Sun, and Atlas already on his way. Another kill for Super Noob there. Another hero. Hylos has been taken down by Balmon in a bottom lane. Look at that. Yuzong very low on HP, still managed to survive. Atlas with that help managed to save his own teammate there. But look at that skill coming in from BrUT, and there it is. Atlas has been taken down by BrUT. Nathan managed to take down Kadita. BrUT's very low HP still managed to survive in that fight. And is it going to be a push coming from a Team Super Noob? Bottom lane turret has been taken down by Balmond. We're going to see a turtle coming in from Super Noob here. It's going to be the second turtle for the red team. Blue team is MEGHALAYA and red team is Super Noob. BrUT here still trying to come into distract all those players from taking that turtle, and turtle has been taken down by BrUT with that.
Red team hero
Oh
has
bhai
been
saab,
slain.
another kill has been taken down. Look at that. BrUT with already with 2 kills but very low HP there, and a fight is happening in bottom lane as well. What a nice Balmond with a nice execute managed to take down Khadija, and a total of 7 kills for red team Super Noob and a total of 3 kills only for blue team.
Team turret has been destroyed.
So we have a fight happening here between Hylos and Balmond. Hylos with his ultimate managed to freeze himself up. Oh, by Sa with another execute and a combination of his ultimate. Balmond managed to take down Hylos. A total of 8 kills for Super Noob and only 2 kills for MEGHALAYA. Now Super Noob, they are already on the lead with 19,000 gold and 13,000 gold for MEGHALAYA. So we are going to see a rotation coming in from Super Noob against Sun, and Sun is falling back. He's not gonna go further for the push. So let's take a look at all the builds here. We have only 4 heroes. It's a very big challenge for MEGHALAYA, but Super Noob, they are on the lead with 1 player extra. Let's take a look here. We have in bottom lane all these 2 players, BrUT and Hylos playing together as a team, and Nathan has been taken down by Khadija. Khadija is being charged by all these 3 players from Super Noob, who's gonna be taken down. What a nice kill there from Valir. Managed to take down Khadija on 2 players from MEGHALAYA. Still trying to defend this in mid lane. We have all the players from Super Noob still trying to push in mid lane. We have Yuzong. He's focusing on his own lane here in top lane. Let's take a look. Who's gonna win in this match? But at this level, it seems like Team Super Noob, they are gonna win, because MEGHALAYA is with only 4 players. It's gonna be very hard for them to win in this fight with 1 man not joining in this match. So we have BrUT and Hylos still sticking together in the mid lane. Look at Khadija all alone here in the bottom lane, still trying to clear up all those minions all alone there. Balmond managed to steal that buff there, but BrUT is going to be in a fight with Balmond, but he decided to fall back. And a charge coming in there, and Hylos has been taken on by Yuzong. What a nice charge coming in from Yuzong. Redex, Blade 4v5, I don't know, bro. MR squad, they don't have any player to join this fight, so we have to start with only 4 players. So we have Khadija still trying to go for the charge against Valir. Managed to take down Valir with a combination with execute, and Khadija is gonna go down. Nathan managed to take down Khadija. Now is going to be another third in mid lane, gonna be taken down by Super Noob. MEGHALAYA, they joined the match pretty late, so we are going to give them a warning in this fight. There it is. BrUT has been taken down by Yuzong. A total of 12 kills for Super Noob and 4 kills for MEGHALAYA. Sun still trying to go for the push in top lane. Super Noob, they have to watch out for Sun, otherwise he's gonna take down turrets by turrets. But luckily they have 1 man extra. Maybe they will focus 1 player they will focus 1 player by defending their own base. MEGHALAYA will go on with a warning by joining late in this match. Okay, luckily for them, Super Noob didn't go for a protest. If they go for protest, it's going to be auto win, but luckily Super Noob didn't go for a protest. So now Sun is being charged by all these players from Super Noob, but luckily he managed to fall back there against Super Noob, and all the players here are concentrated in mid lane. Look at that charge, and Hylos already activated his ultimate. Balmond managed to take down BrUT. Only 3 players still remaining from MEGHALAYA. Hylos has been taken down as well. Only 2 players still standing from Team MEGHALAYA Sun is still trying to go for the push in top lane. Now Balmon is gonna go for that rotation in top lane, and he's gonna try to defend that top lane. We are going to see all the players from Super NUUB. Oh, Kadita has been taken down by Yuzong. Now we have only Sun still surviving, and we are going to see a push coming in from Team Super NUUB against this mid-lane. Now it's going to be turret gonna be taken down, but luckily Hylos and BrUT are on their way to defend this mid-lane. Maybe we are going to see some hope for MEGHALAYA. Look at that. Oh, bhai sahab, look at this dragon here from Yuzong. And ultimate being activated by Hylos. Is it going to be another kill for MEGHALAYA? Hylos managed to take down Nathan. And another charge coming in from Hylos, but it seems like he's in a very bad position, being charged by all those players coming in from Super NUUB. 4v4 now. We have a total of 4 players from both the squads. 1 player from Super NUUB still in reviving mode, and we have BrUT and Kadita still trying to clear up this mid lane here. Maybe there's still some chance for MEGHALAYA. A total of 5 kills for MEGHALAYA and a total of 15 kills for Super NUUB. Look at Sun still trying to stick with his own lane in top lane. Managed to defend this top lane turret here. The only turret here who is still standing. So we have only 1 inhibitor turret there, 1 inhibitor turret still standing from Team MEGHALAYA. So they have to defend their own turrets if possible, otherwise those mega minions are gonna destroy this match for MEGHALAYA. So we have Atlas and Nathan and Valir taking together in mid lane. Let's take a look. We have a fight happening here between Yuzong, and there's a fight happening there. Nathan managed to take down Kadita. Very big fight happening here. Is it going to be another kill there? No, BrUT is gonna die as well. Oh, Sun managed to take down Nathan, and Hylos has been taken down. BrUT has also been taken down. Sun managed to take down Atlas. And Yuzong still trying to go for the charge against Sun. Balmon managed to take down that top lane turret. Now it's going to be a charge. Sun managed to survive in this fight. He's going to teleport. Will he survive? Look at a charge coming from Yuzong. He's not letting Sun go away. And Balmon still trying to go for the push against this inhibitor turret from top lane. Sun is busy trying to go for the fight against Yuzong. It seems like Sun is going to defend, and there it is. Sun has been taken down by Yuzong. Now we have Hylos and BrUT, Kadita already on their way trying to defend their own base. Another turret has been taken down. Now two mega minions are gonna come in from both the lanes here, from top lane and mid lane from Super NUUB. Super NUUB already on the lead with kills, already on the lead with players, already on the lead with everything, gold, kills, everything. So now Super NUUB, it seems like they are going to win in this match. There's no chance for MEGHALAYA with only 4 players to win in this fight. But let's take a look. Maybe they are still having some hope to win this fight. But Lord already on his way, coming in from Super NUUB all the way from mid lane. Maybe it is going to be a final push from Super NUUB. So we have a attack coming from Super NUUB. It's going to be a win for Super NUUB. I guess all the players have been taken out, only 2 players remaining. But that's it, Super NUUB with the win. Congratulations to Super NUUB and MEGHALAYA. GG, well played with only 4 players still trying to take the fight against a 5-player team, Super NUUB. But Super NUUB with a win. Congratulations with a total of 21 kills. Congratulations. We still have one more match after this. Please stay tuned. We will be right back. Hello, welcome back everyone. This is going to be the last match for the day, and we have
Your team
BrUT
is
N
banning.
Esport versus Khasi Royals. BrUT N Esport versus Khasi Royals. On the left side we have BrUT N, and on the right side we have Khasi Royals. So we have
Your
the first
team
ban
is banning.
from BrUT N. We have BrUT, and the first ban from Khasi Royals. Focus. What will be the second ban from these two squads? Who are you supporting? Is it going to be BrUT N or is it going to be Khasi Royals? You can mention your support by typing KR or
Your
Khasi
team is
Royals, or
banning.
maybe BrUT N or BRT. Okay, that's how you show your support to any squads who are participating in this tournament. You can mention the squad in full form or maybe in short
Your
form
team is
abbreviation.
picking.
I don't care. Okay. But you should show your support if you support any of the teams who are participating in this tournament. So we have Balmon, the second band from BrUT N, and Paquito, the second band from Khasi Royals. On the left side we have BrUT N, and on the right side we have Khasi Royals. Hola.
Your team is picking.
The first pick for BrUT N is Xbox. Okay, we have Franco
Your team
and
is
Vale. Franco and Vale, the two picks from Khasi Royals. Now we are ready for the two picks from BrUT N. Joyhead is being locked. What will be the next hero gonna be picked by BrUT N? Change.
Let's play together.
Your team is picking.
Okay, we have Change. Change Johead and Xbox from BrUT N. What are you saying? Kerda kumno lekai arteli account. Kerda yuka. Who is Kerda, bro? Who is
I
Kerda?
hope they're stronger than me.
Your team is banning.
How is it possible that a player will play two accounts in one game?
Your team is banning.
So Sun, the third pick for Khasi Royals. Maybe he have an account, but he have to
Your
his
team
friend
is
to
picking.
play his own account. Maybe, I don't know. But we allowed only registered accounts to play in this tournament. Okay, so that's it. So we have a Yuzong and Gatukacha, the last band from both the squads here. We have Karina,
Your team is
the
picking.
fourth pick from Khasi Royals. Oh, Bhai Saab, we have so many supporters there from Khasi Royals and from BrUT N. This is going to be interesting. Come on, is it going to be Natan or Broly or maybe Martis? Okay, we have Natan, fourth pick, and
Your
Martis,
team
the
is
fifth
picking.
pick from BrUT N. So the last pick is gonna come in from Khasi Royals as well. Maybe they are going to pick any kind of counter attack there. Okay, we have Zilong. Maybe he's gonna focus regarding that direct push, or maybe to distract all the players from BrUT N. But let's see, let's wait and see. Maybe they have another plan in this match. So the fight is about to start in 4 seconds. Since COCKR is Undefeatable. Defeatable. Huh? No, Nakalat dot bara ma COC para pemenang klan. You guys forgot para pemenang klan from COC. So let's focus on Mobile Legends. Okay, we have blue team here is going to be BrUT N, and the red team is going to be Khasi Royals.
Welcome to Mobile
Okay,
Legends.
let's take a look who's gonna take their own lanes here. We have Xbox. Let's take a look who's gonna be Hypers. We have Xbox Hyper from BrUT N. We have a Hyper Karina from Khasi Royals. There we are going to see Jawhead gonna help him out, maybe to take that buff, or maybe he's gonna make himself busy in mid lane. So we have Karina and Xbox still trying to go for their own buffs, or maybe Franco is gonna come to try to distract those buffs, and Jawhead is trying to defend this entrance from Franco to take those buffs. Oh, finally Xbox managed to take down that buff, and look at that toss coming in from Jawhead. Managed to take so much damage against Franco, and Franco failed in his own mission to take down to distract those to avoid,
First blood.
to prevent those players from BrUT N to take down that buff. So we have Valley, the first kill for BrUT N. Valley has been taken down by Xbox. There it is. So let's take a look. There's gonna be a buff. Oh, what a nice toss from Jordan. Managed to toss that buff. Oh my god. Now two Khasi Royals have Franco to prevent their own enemies to take their buff, but BrUT N have their own hero, Jawhead, to prevent those players from Khasi Royals to take down those buffs. So now we are going to see BrUT N trying to go for the charge. What a nice gang coming in from BrUT N. Managed to take down some damage against Martis, and Martis is being charged by all the players from BrUT N here. Uziel is going to be in a very bad challenge here. But we have an assembled team from Khasi Royals as well. Look at Franco, he's being charged, losing so much HP. That's a kill from Martis, a total of 2 kills for BrUT N there. Martis with a total of 1 kill, and Xbox already with 1 kill as well. No kills yet for Khasi Royals, but maybe we are going to see a comeback for Khasi Royals. So we have Sun already on his way to defend this top lane here, but still managed to Nathan there still managed to take some damage there against that top lane turret. So we have BrUT N here still trying to go for that turtle. The first turtle has been taken down by BrUT N. Now they are already on the lead. So Franco is being bullied by team BrUT N here. Very low in HP. Now he's going to teleport himself back to his own base, and he's going to join in the fight. Look at Nathan. Oh, why did he charge with very low HP, and he's been taken down. That's a 1 kill for Khasi Royals. Let's take a look. Khasi Royals still trying to come back in this match. 2 kills is nothing. So we have both the squads here, they are focusing on the top lane fight. Oh, my Valley has been taken down again. 2 deaths for Valley. And Xbox has been taken down by Franco. Franco very low in HP, still managing to survive. Sun still trying to go for a charge against Jawhead. Jawhead has been taken down by Sun. That is a nice kill and a nice match. A total of 3 kills for both the squads there. Look at team Khasi Royals here. Look at team Khasi Royals. They are trying to come back with a total of 3 kills, and Jawhead, Martis and Zilong here are in a fight. Look at that fight, and Martis managed to take down Zilong with that crowd control, and he still managed to take down Zilong. But Zilong already tried to use his own skill to
Blue team hero
drag
has been
that Martis
slain.
to his own turret, but luckily Martis managed to survive in that fight. So we have Karina here still trying to roam this map here from mid lane to bottom lane, but still we have team BrUT N here still trying to rotate from bottom lane to mid lane. They are still trying to rotate from all the lanes here, still trying to take the fight against all these players who are being left out from all these teammates. So we have Sun is going to fall back from his own fight and he's rotating to top lane. We have Vale, Franco and Karina. Karina is gonna go for that buff it seems. So we have Franco here is still hiding and waiting for Martis to come in and take down that bounty monster, and Franco is on his way to go and rotate to mid lane again. We have Jawhead still hiding inside that bush and waiting for all those players. What a miss hook from Franco there. So we have Karina here still waiting for the fight, and there it is, a fight happening. Still Nathan managed to flick himself and he managed to survive in that fight coming from Sun and Karina. So now we are going to see a attack coming from Jawhead. Managed to take so much damage against Vale. Vale very low in HP. So much damage has been taken by pHANG, and Vale is gonna go and regenerate his HP inside his own base, and he's gonna join in the fight again. So there it is, Karina is being charged and Martis managed to take down Karina in the mid lane. Oh, very close there for Karina, almost managed to escape, but Martis managed to take down that kill. So we have turrets still standing from both the squads here. No one has managed to take any turrets, but BrUT N already on lead with 17,000 gold, but Khasi Royals with 14,000 gold. Already on the lead with 1 kill for BrUT N and already on the lead with that turtle. Maybe we are going to see another turtle, but which team is going to be? Is it going to be Khasi Royals, or is it going to be BrUT N who will take that turtle for the second time? So we have Franco here with his flicker spell. Oh my sab! Nathan also with his own flicker spell. Look at the charge coming in from Nathan, and Jawhead and Xbox also on his way. Look at Sun has been taken down by Nathan, and Franco also is going down. Xbox managed to take down that kill. 2 kills already for team BrUT N. They are on top lane, which it brings out to a total of 7 kills, 20,000 gold and 17,000 gold for Khasi Royals. So let's wait and see. Maybe we're going to see a hook coming from Franco in a while. Look at that. BrUT N managed to take down this top lane turret, and pHANG already finally used the ultimate, and there Franco already on his way, and Karina has been taken out by Xbox. Oh, Zilong, and that's a double kill for Xbox. Another kill there. Franco has been taken down. That's a triple kill for Xbox. Which brings to a total of 6 kills for Xbox alone, and 10 kills in total for BrUT N Esports, and 5 kills in total for Team Khasi Royals. And Xbox has been shut down by Zilong, and Nathan managed to take down Zilong. There's a push coming in from Team Khasi Royals. Sun all the way from bottom lane managed to take down 1 turret, but he's still trying to go for that second turret, but finally Martis still managed to try to defend at bottom lane. So we have Sun trying to go for the charge again. That turtle is going to be the turtle for Khasi Royals, it seems. So we have a fight happening here, and Franco is being charged by Jawhead and pHANG, but Franco still managed to survive in that fight. Luckily for Franco, Vale is right there to help him out to escape from that fight, and Jawhead still trying to get closer and closer. We have Karina, Vale and Franco in mid lane. So let's take a look at the team Khasi Royals. Are they gonna try to come back in this fight? Oh, miss hook again from Franco. I haven't seen any hooks coming in from Franco. So there's a fight coming in. Changye managed to use her ulti and managed to take so much damage. Joanne has been taken out. Franco has been taken out as well. And look at that, Valley is being charged by Martis. Martis managed to take down Valley and triple kill for Xbox. Karina has been taken down. Only one hero still standing from Khasi Royals, which is Sun only. And there it is, Sun still trying to go for the push from top lane. Changye already on her way to try to defend that top lane. But Sun still managed to teleport himself to base. So Franco and Sun already on the way to defend their own base. Already with a total of 15 kills for BrUT N and a total of 7 kills for Khasi Royals. So let's wait and see. We have Xbox here trying to steal that buff. Maybe he will manage to steal that buff, and Karina already on the way to try and steal or to take her own buff as well. But Franco, will he see a hook? No, he hooked that buff. He took that buff. I thought he's going to hook a hero, but he missed. And there's another kill for Xbox. Managed to take down Franco again. Franco died 5 times and Xbox already with 10 kills. Oh my god, and look at Zilong managed to take down that turret just like I said from the start of the match. Oh my god, look at Xbox. Oh, very lucky there. Zilong is being spotted by Xbox and it's going to be a kill. Xbox managed to take down Zilong. Just like I said from the start of the match, Zilong is going to be the one who's gonna try to go for the push, and Sun is also trying to go for the push. From bottom lane where they have Sun, and top lane they have Zilong. Look at that, we have BrUT N trying to go for that Lord seems. And there's the push coming in from Sun with his ultimate, and look at that Kaisa. We have Team Khasi Royals Franco finally with a kill. We have BrUT N also still managed to take down a kill. 2 kills has been taken down against the Khasi Royals. Now we have 1 hero has been taken down from BrUT N. 19 kills in total from BrUT N and a total of 9 kills from Khasi Royals. Let's take a look at all the builds. So we have thank you so much for that donation, Actor. Thank you so much for the 100, and Flavius Marwin, thank you so much for the 20. Thank you so much for your support as always. So let's take a look. We have BrUT N still focusing on Lord, and there's a Lord coming in from BrUT N, and we are going to see Lord coming in from mid lane because mid lane is losing HP there from that mid lane turret, and Lord is already on his way from mid lane. Maybe you're going to see final push coming in from BrUT N. BrUT N already on the lead there with so much gold there with 39,000, almost 40,000, and we have 33,000 only for Khasi Royals. So now they are still trying to assemble with Lord, and we have all the players. So finally we are seeing a hook coming in from Khasi Royals. There it is. What a nice hook, but we have Changye managed to take down Zilong. That's an inhibitor turret from mid lane has been taken down, and now charge is coming in. Franco has been taken down by Xbox, and Johan has been taken down. Double kill for Xbox. Bhai Saab, that's a win for BrUT N. Congratulations for BrUT N with that win. And Khasi Royals, GG, well played, and all the best for your next matches. You still have 1 more match, I guess, so be prepared and come back more stronger in the next match. Okay, congratulations to BrUT N for winning this match, and most of all, especially to all of you who are watching this match and who are watching the stream, the whole stream right from the start till the end. Thank you so much for your support, and for those of you who sent me a super chat, thank you so much everyone for your support, and we will see you guys again tomorrow from 9 PM onwards. We are still on group stage. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your support. Good night, bye bye, and peace. Oh, we have another super chat there from Aldrin Sawian. Thank you so much for your super chat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all 3 of you. Thank you so much for your support, for your super chat. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you 1000 times. Okay, good night, bye bye, and peace. See you guys again tomorrow, and peace.